Let's just say I'm on the left and Amari's on the right here, okay?
Shit.
So I'm about to beat
Wait,
down.
I'm gonna show you something very cool about Deadpool. If you know it. Daddy's a joker like this. Look at his. Look when he goes backwards. Damn. What's up with it? Oh, you want to fight like that?
Blue Marvel.
I'm dead? Oh, fuck you! Yeah, like that. Oh, I died! I killed him. Shit.
The hell?
The fuck?
Oh, really?
Oi.
Oh, okay. You're lucky this guy has a long range attack. Oh, okay, I'm so dead.
Shit.
Where's that son of a gun, Spider-Man? I'm so gonna win.
Shit, nice match.
Yeah,
He
there.
just fucked me up because he killed Deadpool with a shitty, I shouldn't say shitty, a strong character.
Close my group again. Alright, that's my ultimate group.
Okay, we
All right.
match. I say we match.
See you late, guys.
See you later.
Oh.